In this video, we're going to unveil the top 10 unique and trending business ideas for 2024. Let's dive right in. Business 1. Camper Van Conversion Business. The camper van conversion business is set to thrive in 2024, capitalizing on the growing desire for remote work and sustainable travel. Beyond the initial investment of around $20,000 covering the purchase and renovation of a first van, entrepreneurs should consider the evolving landscape of travel regulations and the competition in the market. However, with a well-executed business plan and a focus on unique features such as eco-friendly designs or smart technology integration, the potential yearly profit of exceeding $100,000 becomes more achievable. As more individuals embrace the freedom of open-road living, the market for customized van conversions is expected to witness substantial growth. Business 2. Vintage Game Console Business. Nostalgia takes center stage with the vintage games console business in 2024. The demand for classic gaming experiences is at an all-time high, with collectors and enthusiasts willing to pay a premium for well-maintained vintage console. While the initial investment of around $5,000 covers the acquisition of consoles, games, and refurbishment tools, it's beneficial to explore niche markets and partnerships with gaming communities to maximize profits. Careful curation and strategic marketing, emphasizing the nostalgia factor and the rarity of certain editions, can significantly boost yearly profits estimated to reach $50,000 or more for a successful operation. Business 3. Furniture Refurbishment Business. Riding the wave of sustainability, the furniture refurbishment business is an ideal fit for 2024. Consumers are increasingly drawn to eco-friendly options, and refurbishing old furniture perfectly aligns with this mindset. The initial costs of approximately $2,000 cover tools, materials, and workspace, but entrepreneurs should consider potential challenges such as sourcing sustainable materials and building a reliable supply chain. The potential yearly profits ranging from $20,000 to $50,000 can be enhanced by offering custom designs, collaborating with local artists, and hosting workshops on sustainable living and furniture restoration. Establishing a strong online presence and leveraging social media platforms can also contribute to increased sales and brand visibility. Business 4. Murphy Bed Sales and Installation Business. As urban living spaces continue to shrink, the Murphy Bed Sales and Installation business emerges as a practical solution in 2024. Entrepreneurs considering this venture need to carefully assess the market demand and potential competition in their target areas. The initial investment of around $15,000 covering the cost of Murphy bed kits, tools, and marketing should be weighed against the potential yearly profits, which can range from $40,000 to $80,000 or more. Offering innovative designs, customizable features, and efficient installation services can set a business apart. Additionally, establishing partnerships with real estate agents, interior designers, and property developers can create new avenues for growth. Business 5. Sneaker Cleaning Business. Sneaker culture is thriving, and enthusiasts are keen on keeping their prized kicks in pristine condition. The sneaker cleaning business addresses this need, offering cleaning services and products. With an initial investment of around $3,000 covering cleaning supplies, marketing, and possibly a mobile setup, entrepreneurs should focus on creating a strong brand image and ensuring the quality of their services. Potential challenges may include staying updated on the latest sneaker trends and materials. A well-managed sneaker cleaning business can generate yearly profits ranging from $20,000 to $50,000. Building partnerships with sneaker stores, collaborating with influencers, and utilizing social media platforms for marketing can further enhance the business's reach and profitability. Business 6. Self-Defense School Business. In an era where personal safety is paramount, the self-defense school business is positioned for success in 2024. Entrepreneurs venturing into this field should prioritize obtaining necessary certifications for instructors and staying informed about evolving self-defense techniques. The initial investment of around $10,000 covering certifications, training equipment, and marketing should be balanced against the potential yearly profits, ranging from $30,000 to $60,000 or more. Establishing a strong online presence, offering trial classes, and building partnerships with schools, businesses, and community organizations can contribute to business growth. Additionally, incorporating technology such as online courses and interactive training apps can cater to a broader audience and create additional revenue streams. Business 7. Unique Airbnb business. Elevating the Airbnb experience. The unique Airbnb business offers travelers one-of-a-kind accommodations in 2024. While startup costs vary based on property uniqueness, ranging from $20,000 to $50,000, owners should conduct thorough market research to identify unique selling points and potential challenges in their chosen concept. The potential yearly profits are substantial, driven by higher nightly rates for unique spaces and increased bookings from travelers seeking something beyond the ordinary. A successful unique Airbnb business can generate yearly profits ranging from $70,000 to $100,000 or more. Entrepreneurs should focus on creating immersive experiences, utilizing professional photography, and actively engaging with guests to build positive reviews and enhance the property's desirability. Business 8. Calligraphy Pens Business. In the digital age, the appreciation for handwritten artistry is making a comeback, and the calligraphy pens business caters to this trend in 2024. Entrepreneurs entering this space should focus on sourcing high-quality materials, collaborating with local artists, and exploring unique design options. The initial investment of around $5,000 covering the purchase of quality pens, ink, and marketing can be balanced against the potential yearly profits, ranging from $20,000 to $50,000. Offering customizable sets, limited edition releases, and hosting calligraphy workshops can enhance brand visibility and customer engagement. Exploring online sales platforms and social media marketing can also expand the business's reach beyond local markets. Business 9. Mobile Beauty Salon Business. Convenience meets beauty with the mobile beauty salon business in 2024. Entrepreneurs considering this venture should carefully plan the mobile setup, ensuring it is equipped with the latest beauty products and technology. The startup costs, estimated at around $20,000, should be weighed against the potential yearly profits, ranging from $30,000 to $70,000 or more. Building a loyal client base is crucial, and offering subscription services, loyalty programs, and partnering with local events can contribute to business growth. Additionally, entrepreneurs should stay updated on beauty trends, invest in ongoing training for staff, and maintain a strong online presence to attract new clients. Business 10. Fermented Foods Business. Health-conscious consumers are embracing the benefits of fermented foods, making the fermented foods business a nutritious and trendy choice for 2024. Entrepreneurs entering this space should prioritize sourcing high-quality ingredients, exploring unique fermentation processes, and staying compliant with health and safety regulations. The initial investment of around $8,000 covering ingredients, equipment, and marketing should be considered in light of potential yearly profits, ranging from $20,000 to $50,000. Establishing partnerships with health and wellness retailers, participating in local farmers markets, and offering subscription services can enhance brand visibility and create a steady customer base. Additionally, entrepreneurs should leverage social media platforms to educate consumers about the health benefits of fermented foods and build a community around their brand. There you have it, our comprehensive exploration of the top 10 trending business ideas for 2024. Each idea not only taps into current trends, but also provides unique opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, carefully consider the nuances of each business, plan strategically, and stay adaptable to the evolving market. Which business idea sparked your interest the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring!